Hello and welcome to this video where we're going to recreate the lead melody of the Macintosh Plus song. In this video we're going to use ear training to recreate the simple lead melody that's heard throughout the song. If you want to know about ear training, I'll link that video in the description. So let's start off by listening to the melody and then let's recreate it in Ableton Live. First we'll have to find out in what key the song is. I'll just hum it for you right now. Da, 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 da. If we use the audio to MIDI feature of Ableton Live, we can quickly find out that it's a B minor scale. So now that we know that, we can use ear training to find out which notes are played. I'll just hum the melody so that you know what we want to recreate in this track. So it goes da 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 da. So the first note is a and now to resolve to the tonic we'll have to do nothing because that note is the tonic. So you can hear we're already on the tonic. So let's put in that note. Then let's continue. And now let's resolve to the tonic. Which takes 3 steps up. Always if you take 3 steps up, you're on the 5th of the scale. So let's put in the 5th. Then and the resolves down like and since this takes 3 steps, you're on the 4th of the scale. So let's put in the 4th and continue. Or 2 steps, so that's the 3rd of the scale. And the is the 2nd. Because you need 1 step to go to the tonic. And that's the tonic again. And the da is a tonic, but it's just an octave more up. And the da is the 7th, because it resolves 1 up. Da da. And now we have covered the whole melody. Let's listen how the transcribed melody sounds. In this video, we recreated the infamous Macintosh Plus lead melody by using ear training to determine the pitch. I hope it was helpful for you and see you in the next video.